Everyone, myself Manjula. So let's continue our discussion on chapter 3 from class 12 political science, that is new centers of power. Okay, so this is part 4, and in this particular part we are going to discuss in detail about BRICS. Let's start. Now, see, in previous part we have discussed about European Union, then ASEAN, right, and Indo-ASEAN relationship also we have discussed it. Now in this part we will discuss about another group, another organization, that is BRICS in detail, right. Now if you can see the acronym of BRICS over here. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, right. And see, this BRIC organization was formed in 2006 in Russia, right. Later on, the South Africa joined this group in 2009. From that time onwards, it is came to be known as BRICS. Before that, it was just BRIC, BRIC. Okay. Now let's look at the objectives of BRICS, this organization. Now see, BRICS are primarily aims to cooperate and distribute mutual economic benefits among its members. And apart from that, of course, non-interference in the internal policies of each nation एंड म्यूचुअल इक्वालिटी. इनका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ कॉपरेट करें ताकि इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट्स हो, और जो भी इकोनॉमिक डील वगैरह वो साइन करते हैं दैट शुड लीड टू म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट्स, क्योंकि मेंबर कंट्रीज के म्यूचुअल दो सभी के वहाँ पर बेनिफिट्स होने चाहिए. इट्स नॉट दैट ओनली वन कंट्री इज गेनिंग ऑल द बेनिफिट, राइट. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि वो इंटरनल जो कंट्रीज है यहाँ मेंबर कंट्रीज, दे शुड नॉट इंटरफेयर इन द इंटरनल मैटर्स ऑफ ईच अदर कंट्रीज मैटर, राइट. वो हर कंट्री के जो पॉलिसीज है उसको वो रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, and of course mutual equality maintain रखेंगे. And if we look at the recent summit of this BRIC that took place in Brazil, that was the 11th summit, or you can say 11th conference of BRICS, and it was chaired by Brazilian President Bolsonaro. Okay, now let's see why these BRICS countries are considered important in today's time, right. You have seen that this BRIC group consists of 5 important countries, that is India, Russia, Brazil, China, South Africa, and all these countries are developing countries. Okay, and you know what they used to do? These countries whenever they used to have any summit and all, at that time they used to discuss all the important global issues, right. They express their opinions some way or the other. That's something very important, that all that global burning issues, they express their views. For example, terrorism, poverty, and or you can say climate change. In all these various issues, they used to express their views at the international level, right. And if we look at the BRIC countries, why they are important, all these BRIC countries, if you keep them together, they represent nearly 42% of world population and 23% of world GDP and over 16% शेयर इन दी वर्ल्ड ट्रेड. कि जो ब्रिक कंट्रीज के अगर सारे कंट्री से इन कंट्री मेंबर्स के अगर पॉपुलेशन काउंट करोगे, दे रिप्रेजेंट नियरली 42% ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन, और वर्ल्ड जीडीपी के 23% रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट. और वर्ल्ड ट्रेड शेयर अगर जो है ये नियरली 16% रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो दिस शोज दैट दिस ग्रुप इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ एंड इफ यू लुक एट फ्रॉम दी another perspective, you can see here, BRICS countries have been the main engine of global economic growth over the years. कि आज के टाइम पे over the years ये जो countries जो है, इन countries का जो economy now they are emerging as a kind of, you can say, multipolar powers in the world, right. And at the same time, BRICS now has emerged as a major factor in a peaceful, prosperous and multipolar world, right. See, वही सेम बात है कि जो ब्रिक कंट्रीज है नाउ दे आर इमर्जिंग एज अ मल्टीपोलर वर्ल्ड, एज अ पीसफुल वे. ओके, बहुत ही पीसफुल तरीके से ना, वो प्रॉस्परस तरीके से, वो एक मल्टीपोलर वर्ल्ड की तरह डिफरेंट पावर्स इमर्ज हो रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस ब्रिक ग्रुप इज कंसिडर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट इन टुडेज टाइम. एंड सी वन मोर थिंग, ड्यूरिंग समिट लेवल दे डिस्कस वेरियस ग्लोबल इश्यूज, जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था. यू कैन सी हियर, मेंशन हियर, they discuss about global financial situation, security situation, counter terrorism, climate change, sustainable development होना चाहिए. And of course they demand that multilateral जो international systems में different organizations जैसे WTO है, there they demand that reforms are required. They express their opinion, right. Because of all these things, BRIC countries are considered important in today's time. Okay, so this is all about this particular part. Thank you for watching this video.